Hey guys, so this is my page. I chose to make a mom blog. As you can see in this picture, I have two crazy rambunctious boys. It is so much fun having your home filled with your own little people. So I decided I want to help others. The main purpose of my website is to share my experiences of raising my two little boys with hopes of my successes and my failures will help other moms. As you can see here, my logo, I wanted the heart because your family comes from your heart. I wanted the colors to connect. I think those colors are perfect together. So as we go down, if I can, you can see just some little pictures. I really like this middle picture because I feel like it represents the family. Family is the center of it, and with love, everything is a mess, but it doesn't matter because your family is the center of it all. As we go over to the blogs, you see the main purpose of my blog is to help other moms. And this is my welcome blog, so if you click on it, you'll see my featured image and then just a quick little saying that you'll find tips and experiences. And then this is my first real blog. It's about getting my son from sleeping in my bed to his own bed. And so yeah, I just wanted to help other moms because I feel like a lot of moms struggle with that. Then if you go over here to About Me, it'll load. Just about me and where I'm from and what's happening. And then the Contact Me. And they have a store also, but I'm not going to use it because I'm not going to charge for my blogging. But yeah, one of the main things that I've learned about from this class is that there is so much to building a website. It's not just as simple as everyone makes it seem. There is so much creativity that needs to come with it, and I definitely do not have that creativity. I need to get some more of it. And also time. It was very difficult for me to have time to play around with this, having two kids that I need to take care of. It was very difficult, but I enjoyed it. It was so much fun.